Hi, I'm Ron Gorsey. Welcome to this month's edition of Connector. We are in the heart of footy finals time, and the reality is I've decided to look the part. Having donned the boots and played with my local club, I've ended up with a fat lip, hence what you can see in front of you. But here we are. It is an important time of the year, also for all the other activities that the AIIA is involved in. I'm really excited to tell you about new additions to our team. We have a new GM of events. Adriana Brucey has joined us. She is working through our calendar at the moment to make sure that we are delivering real member value with our events program. Our 12-month calendar is going to be exciting. There's going to be plenty on, and we hope you can get behind us and support the events that we bring to you as valuable members of ours. And whilst we're talking about events, around the country we have some magnificent events coming up that involve ministers and ministerial advisors and VIPs, and we really think that there's a great opportunity around the country to hear what our politicians and what our governments are planning going forward, and the role we can play in working with them to influence and affect policy. So make sure you get to the events, support those, and hear exactly what's going on around you and in your state. I'm also excited to welcome Simon Busch to our team. Simon will be based in Canberra and will be the GM of Policy and Advocacy. He will head up our advisory team, and working with the councils and the SIGs, we really look forward to what Simon can bring to the table. He is a class operator, and we're really excited to have him as a member of our team. He's well known in Canberra, and we welcome him to our organisation as well. Finally, it's that time of the year where membership renewals are due. We do want you to understand that we are working very closely with our members and with you to hear what will bring you value. We're making sure that the program of activities, events and products and services relate specifically to what will bring you value. A good example of that is the salary survey, and also the event program we're putting in place, and other activities as well. So it's really important you get on board with your membership. We are making sure that you get good value from that membership, including representation through the SIGs and the councils and with government.